O yan. Iniwan ni Gian sa pinto. Bigay ni Gian chocolate. Ayan. Ito naman kay Jen. Galing to sa friend ni Jen. Si Gian. Thank you, Gian. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung bigay na flower ng aming kaibigan na si Gian. Tapos ito, may binigay din sa chocolate. Ito rin, chocolate. Chocolate galing sa friend namin. Tapos ito, may card siya. Ito, may greetings card siya. Ayan natin. Ano nakalagay. Dito, ayan. Yung pag-greetings. Na binigay ng ating friend. Ay, wala. Di mabuksan. Ay, nakadikit. Ito. Ayan. Greetings. Dear Nanay, thank you, Nay, for taking care of my kids even just for one time. It's been an honor knowing you as you remind me, my own mother. Your kids are absolutely blessed to have you and their mom. Happy Mother's Day. From truly yours, Gian. And then ito yung chocolate. Kaya natin buksan. Unboxing the chocolate. Ay, nakakapanghinayang naman buksan yung ating chocolate. Grabing ribbon. Ay, paano kaya buksan ini? Grabing ribbon mo ating chocolate. Ay, naku. Nakapanghinayang buksan yung chocolate. Ayan po siya. Oh, nakasil pa siya. Nakasil. Yeah. Oh my God. Here, chocolate. Tikman natin ang isa. Try natin tikman isa. Sarap. Thank you, Gian, for the flowers and the chocolate. Gian, thank you so much. I hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the button para po kayo ma-notified sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos. Keep safe, stay healthy. God bless us all. Bye, guys.